really a pleasure to be here with you. One of those songs that made it on air. Mahalo to a Hawaiian 105 KINE for blasting this one. One of my favorite songs I enjoy recording is Himele no Hina, a song that talks about my first experience on the beautiful Friendly Isle of Molokai. And we go on a journey to Halawa Valley as well as Pala'au. But prior to me visiting these places, Molokai, everybody knows Molokai to be the Friendly Isle, and I was wondering, why are all these people staring at me? What is different about me? But here I am, as we say, on Popolo, singing, chanting, Hawaiian, dancing hula. I didn't realize, at the time I was kind of like, I was young, yes, a little bit bucky here, was stubborn, I was ready for like, what should I do that? Anyway, so I went to Halawa and Pala'au, and it brought me to peace. So that's how this song transpired. And once again, this song titled Himele no Hina.